Tying your braided mainline to a fluorocarbon or mono-leader can be frustrating, especially when the knot keeps slipping or breaking. That's where the Alberto knot comes in. It's strong, compact, and works perfectly for joining two lines of different thicknesses. It's quick to tie, reliable, and runs smoothly through your rod guides. Let's get started. Take the end of your leader and fold it back on itself to form a loop about 10 to 15 centimeters long. Feed around 10 to 15 centimeters of your braid through the bottom of the loop, keeping everything pinched between your fingers so it doesn't slip. Start to wrap the braid up the leader about 7 to 10 times. Once you've finished wrapping your braid around your leader material, pinch them both together to prevent them from unraveling. Now wrap back down the same way, laying the coils neatly over the first set. Now, feed the braid's tag end back through the same side of the loop it came in from. This part's important. Your braid must enter and exit the loop in the same direction. Wet the wraps with a bit of water or saliva and start to pull both the main line and the tag end of the braid with one hand and both the main line and tag end of the leader with the other hand away from each other to bring the wraps together. Once the knot starts to feel solid, get a firm grip on just the braid and leader main lines and give them a strong pull away from each other to finish the knot. To help cinch the knot down, you can also pull both the main line and tag end section of each line away from each other. Take your scissors and trim both tag ends close to the knot. Leave a short tag, about 2 mm, just in case the knot does slip under pressure. That's the Alberto knot finished. Strong, simple, and perfect for attaching a leader to your braided mainline. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe, and check out my knots playlist for more easy to follow knot tutorials.